Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Money Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful dip powder nail design using Kiara Sky dip powder. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Kiara Sky Dark Pink, which I mixed together with some diamond dust glitter. I like to call this mixture Pixie Pink, and some dried flowers, and also some nail foil. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. Now I'm applying one layer of Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder to my nails. So I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color, and this is also an optional step. Now I apply some activator to my index, ring and pinky finger because those are going to be my clear nails, and while I wait for that to dry, I start on my middle finger. So I apply base to the whole nail and then I sprinkle my Pixie Pink mixture on my nails. I did 3 layers of this. So now I'm taking some of my gold foil and I'll just be separating them into smaller pieces. Then I took my dried flowers and also separated them as well. Now on my ring finger, I apply some base to the whole nail and then I placed my dried flowers on my nail. So right here, I'm just measuring to see if it made sense placing a 3rd flower on the nail. And then when I was finished with the dried flowers, I placed some gold foil on my nails as well. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. Now on the index finger, I apply base to half of the nail and then I sprinkle the pink mixture on my nail. I believe I did 3 layers. Then on my pinky finger, I did the same thing. Now I place some activator on my pinky and index finger and I wait for it to dry, and while I wait for it to dry, I apply base to my thumbnail and sprinkle the pink mixture on my nails. I did 3 layers of that. The reason why I placed some activator on the clear nails is so that the clear nails would remain clear without any bubbles or any white residue remaining on the nail, and that would ensure that the nail would come out clear, or as clear as the powder could get. And you also have to ensure that you wait for the activator to dry, because when base gets into contact with activator, it hardens the brush. Now on my index finger, I apply base to half of the nail and then I applied my gold flakes and also my flowers on the nail. I also did the same for my pinky finger, but I will not be showing that one. Then I encapsulate the nails. So on the index finger, I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip into my Pro Dip Clear Dip powder. Then I apply some activator to the nail as well. So on the clear nails, I ensured to apply activator in between layers, and on the solid color, I just applied my base as usual. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I will only be showing one layer. Then I applied activator, waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. And now I have a choice as to whether I want to apply dip powder top coat or gel top coat, and I chose dip powder top coat. So I apply my activator to my nails. The reason I'm using Rossi dip powder top coat is because this is the first top coat I have used that comes close to the shine that I get using gel top coat. That's why I'm using it. So I'm using some rubbing alcohol to remove the excess activator on the nail. If any activator remains and it gets into contact with my dip powder top coat, it will leave the nails tricky and harden the top coat brush. Now I apply my first layer of top coat with quick strokes, then I wait for it to dry. Now I apply my second layer of top coat and wait for it to dry. Then I apply my cuticle oil. So if you like this video, you're gonna wanna check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!